All right, good morning from Cozumel, Mexico. You can see out here there's a lot of clouds and it's very windy. So 25 knot wind today, gray and overcast. It's mildly warm, I would say 72, 71 maybe. But yeah, it's not the perfect day, is it? I see Virgin Cruise Line way down there, the international dock. All right, so we are off. Whew, excuse the wind. We are off to Nachi Cocom. We've just docked in Cozumel in Mexico. So yeah, let's see how this day pans out. The weather is looking a little inclement. Chances of rain for sure. Nachi Cocom, here we are.
Do you have reservation, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, you do?
All right, so we'll have a friendly little meet and greet, and they'll bring you into the area under the big palapa. This is where you can have dinner under here too, and we have the hair. Hola.
Shower right there.
We have
Shower, okay.
banyos,
Bottom here.
little hammocks. All right, so little guy will guide you. So we've got the manual today. We have a group booking, so she the world.
Shay the world.
I love that. That's beautiful. We have our own little bar.
Bar, okay. We like
It's going to be busy.
Shay the bar.
Shay the bar.
Back, front, where do you want?
Oh, where do we want?
Yes. Closer to the bar.
Yeah, not a bad idea.
Well, don't worry, because in the day you have a waiter for all day. My name is Emmanuel. I take care of you.
Oh,
With
you're
my
the
partner.
waiter too? Oh, good.
We have a beautiful area with some palm trees.
And I will be your waiter with my partner.
Okay, okay.
For patterns.
Now,
You want
can
there? Here?
Yeah, let's get
Here I can put 2 more lunches right here if you want.
2 more.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Sure. All right, so Nachi Cocom will take about 130 people. It's a small resort area. It's quite rustic. But it has everything you need. We do have facilities, toilet facilities there. More people are arriving. There's plenty of palapas on a hot day. It's plenty of shade. Well, hello, hello. Look at you.
Are we supposed to be over there?
They didn't take you there?
No.
Okay, so it has a really good sized pool. Don't believe it's heated, but what do you think?
Not that cold, but it's not warm either.
It's not heated, no. It's ambient, shall we say.
Yeah.
So ambient pool, but I do know that obviously their jacuzzi over here, their hot tub is heated, and it does spill over into the pool, so that's probably what's keeping it nice and ambient, shall we say. So good to note that hot tubs are only for adults, so if children come, they cannot. They have a little swim-up bar. Of course, it's an all-inclusive, so you get a lunch meal, and you get as many drinks as you like. Normally you can come in, you just choose where you want to sit. You can sit by the pool. We have palapas all along the beach area. Because we're with a big group today, basically they sort of herded us into one area, so that's okay. And then we're just going to go down and check out the other area over here. So food is served from, I think he said 10:30 in the morning. You can either eat at your lounger or you can eat under here and sit and eat properly. beach, you know, like, I think they do snorkeling, and there's beach inflatables. This is the smoking area only. We have beach mats. And then up here we have more changing rooms and restrooms. So as you can see, it's a really small area. Nothing too grand, but it's done nicely. It's quaint. It's very Mexico. It's pretty. I love all the lush greenery. So that's it. That literally is the tour. We get a taxi for $20 each way. That's for 4 people. Pay in cash. You put a deposit down and then you can pay with card or cash when you arrive here. I think it runs at about $69 currently, but do check their website. And obviously at this time of year, and then filming, we're in January, end of January, so we have a cold ocean, and then we have so really we've just got the pool option or jacuzzi, and that's it. We have a bit of a blustery day today, but we've been here in the summer and it's absolutely stunning. That water is like a mill pond and it's just crystal blue clear, and yeah, fabulous. Might check out the massages. They'll be cash only, probably. Typically they're much good price here. 30 minutes for $39, 60 minutes for $59. Spoil yourself, it says. And then these little dudes hanging out in a hut over here. I think there's another smoking area just at the back there. And here we go. Cute little bar. How cute is this bar? Very nice. And here's our gang. All right. Very nice. Well, I'll update later with some shots of food. All right, so I've walked up to the end of the property. From here onwards, it's just this area here. It's a little rustic, and then you're going to hit, I think, Senor Santos, or whatever it is, down there is the next club. This is cool. These places all used to be something, but I think the hurricane damage comes quite frequently to these shores. So we have these really cool sort of abandoned buildings, and this would have been their beachfront right here. Not too shabby, huh? And then as you can see, this is the sum total of the chairs. The sand is really nice. It's really feels good. A few people braving the water because it's a bit chilly. Hello, mate. Morning. How's it going? All right, cheers.
It's a lovely day.
It's a lovely day in paradise.
What is your channel?
We are the Travel Flirts.
Travel Flirts. I gotta remember to look that up.
Flirty travellers.
Just need a little more sun.
It's coming.
Hi.
How's it going, guys?
Good.
England, the Brits in the house. How's it going? It's Bognor Regis, isn't it? I tell you. It's bloody Bognor Regis. Okay, we got some guacamole. We got some chips. We got some wings. Sarah's got some nachos. All right. So we got a Mexican tortilla soup and a little ceviche. Looks delightful. Well, you've got a little salad.
Oh, no.
What is that?
Sorry. I already dug into it. They're called, well, okay. They would be called taquitos anywhere
Taquitos.
else. Here they're fried chicken tacos. Okay, but they're very good.
You've got a
And I had the
club.
club
You've got a club sandwich. All right, so a little bit later in the day, I'm going to check out what's happening up at the pool. So even when the weather's a little inclement, you can still enjoy your day here. It's quite beautiful. It's very relaxed. See who's hanging out at the pool up here. A little noise. I think a lot of people moved under the palapa. So he's enjoying the hot pool. Let's check out what's going on under the palapa. Well, this seems to be where everyone's hanging out. Come in here for dinner. There's a few little waifs and strays hanging out down here.
Hey, hola amigos. Don't forget visit gift shop. Nice to meet you.
There's some people down here. Some people will be moving off, going home. As I say, it's a great space down here. You're going to sit and have lunch, get real relaxed with your friends. Very lovely. Super nice.
She said it's totally safe with the gravel. I got more.
Here's the second one.
That's right.
He lost it. He lost all of it. There we go. This is what a afternoon is like at Nachi Cocom, Cozumel. So even if the weather isn't brilliant, you know, you're still going to have a good time. So come check it out. People are super nice. The staff are excellent. The people who run it are lovely. So it's always good to support the locals. And this is a very local operation. And yeah, I think for, what is it, $69? And the food is lovely. So four courses, really, really nice. And then all your open bar with a great selection. Yeah, good value. There's nothing wrong with this, right? All right, well, sun came out. So you know what, just stick it out. Water is good. It is 75 degrees. Someone did confirm the temperature. And it's gorgeous. You know, a lot of people left because they were like, oh, it's getting overcast, whatever. It's like anywhere, it's like in Florida, you know, just give it some time, it'll blow over, the good weather will come. And yeah, we're still chilling out, enjoying now the sunshine. And it's not crazy hot either, it feels absolutely beautiful. So, get in there, guys. And if you're in, you know, Cozumel, you do a stop or whatever, do check out Nachi Cocom. I would highly recommend it. It's very, very moderately priced at 69 minutes. $20 each way taxi for 4 people. It's about a 15-minute drive from the port, so make sure you leave yourself plenty of time. And that's from the well, every port. Check your ports because every but you know what I mean. Yeah, it's lovely. Food is good. The drinks are cold, plentiful. Staff are super friendly, and they do restrict numbers, so it's never going to be overcrowded and crazy. For 130 people, it's never going to fill. Yeah, so we're just going to hang out here for a little bit longer, and then we're going to head back to the ship and carry on with our day. The good thing is that here is where it's ship time. So it's all board, it's 4:30, so we do have plenty of time.
Hey guys, I just want to talk about what's coming up. We caught this group that was on the ship. This is Joni Madden's Folk and Irish Cruise. These people cruise together. They come from all over. They're playing Celtic music randomly all around the ship. Some are private, some are out in the population. And they do this cruise a lot, every year or 2 years. I have to look at it, but pretty amazing.